What's up, guys? Today we're diving straight into the ultimate robotic pool skimmer showdown, the premium-packed Beatbot iSkim Ultra, the slick-looking Aiper Surfer S2, and the ever-reliable Betta SE. If you've been eyeing any of these to clean your pool so you don't have to, this video is going to save you time, money, and possibly a headache. Spoiler alert, one of these costs 5 times more than the other. But is it 5 times better? Let's find out. Let's start with looks. The Aiper Surfer S2 is just elegant. It floats like a water drone and has solar panels right on top. Leave it in your pool 24/7 and it recharges on its own. Super sleek. The Betta SE is chunkier, but has a cool futuristic vibe, also solar powered, and it's designed to run for days without stopping. As for the iSkim Ultra, it's a tank. This thing is heavy, premium, and screams luxury. It even talks to you. No joke. Voice prompts, status lights, and one of the biggest baskets we've seen. All three clean the pool surface, but they do it very differently. The Aiper Surfer S2 is your laid-back helper. It cruises smoothly, avoids obstacles, and has rollers that gently nudge it around the pool. It even has a chlorine tablet slot inside the basket. Simple, but smart. The Betta SE? This thing is a workhorse. It ran for 3 days straight in southern Florida sun without skipping a beat. Twin salt-tolerant motors, a solid fine mesh basket, and smooth edge detection. It just gets the job done. Then there's the iSkim Ultra. This one's from another planet. It's got 7 motors, 20 sensors, and even ultrasonic tech that helps it plan a cleaning path in an S shape. Most skimmers just bounce around randomly. This one moves like it knows what it's doing. And the edge cleaning? Those spinning front brushes actually scrub the wall edge to grab debris no one else can. The Betta SE has a solid top handle basket that's super easy to pull out and clean. No nonsense. The Aiper Surfer S2 also keeps things simple. A snap-in basket that clicks into place and even has a debris guard to keep leaves from escaping. But the iSkim Ultra? It's packing a 9-liter enclosed basket. That's nearly twice the size of the others. And it's anti-spill, so nothing flies out when it reverses. The whole thing is sealed top to bottom. You pop it open with a button and dump it with one hand. Betta SE. No app. Just solar and go. Aiper Surfer 2. No app either, but honestly, it's kind of peaceful. Beatbot iSkim Ultra? Whole different story. There's an app that shows battery status, pool temperature, lets you steer it like an RC car, schedule cleans, and even drop clarifier from the built-in dispenser. It's like a pool robot with a pilot license. Also, it supports wireless magnetic charging and solar. It even parks itself when done. Price and who it's for. Betta SE. Around $300. Great value. Super dependable. Set it and forget it. Aiper Surfer 2. Around $400 to $450. Stylish, solar, and surprisingly effective. iSkim Ultra. $1,500. Expensive, yes, but you get every feature available in pool skimming tech today. So who should get what? Get the Betta SE if you want solid performance without the bells and whistles. Go for the Surfer S2 if you like a cleaner with style, solar power, and minimal maintenance. Choose the iSkim Ultra only if you want the best of the best, and you're okay spending luxury money on a pool robot that talks back. At the end of the day, all 3 of these robotic pool skimmers will clean your water surface, but only one makes you feel like Tony Stark when you use it. Let me know which one you'd pick down in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and check the links in the description for deals. See you in the next one.